Hey guys, welcome back to Untitled Tactical. Hope everything's doing great. Thanks for stopping by today, guys. As always, I want to say give a shout out to my subs. We're sitting at 76 subs for the channel. That is awesome. We're almost at my mark. I'm trying to hit 100 subs by the end of July. So thank you guys for helping me achieve that. What we're doing over here today is obviously first aid. I got a bunch of items behind me. And there are a lot of triage items, which is great for disaster situations. So that's what we're doing today. This is the video that's attached to the earthquake videos we've been doing on the series for the preparedness readiness videos. So this is the next episode. So let's get to it. So I have a lot of stuff on the table, like I said, for the triage breakdown. My first thing I want to go over is how to identify your patient. And there's a few different ways you can do it. They sell toe tags or identification tags, and it has all their information on it. You can write on there. I don't choose to use those. I don't care for them. They're kind of expensive either way. So what I do is I roll a duct tape and colored Sharpies. Black is imminent death. Red is bleeding, obviously, because that's mostly what's going to happen, either one way or the other. So that's what I got this kit built around. So I'll show you that in a second. So basically you take your roll of duct tape and you write whatever it is, head trauma, slap it on their forehead, and you tag them like that. So when they're sitting in your minimal evacuation setup that we did in the last video, they're identified and you can come back and treat them when you can. Triage is staging the areas of the medical needs of the people that you come across. And you handle the intimate ones first, the worst ones first. So in the kit, so we got our identification tag. You want to make sure you have your PP&E, which is simple for this. You're just going to get a box of nitrile gloves, non-latex, because you don't want to add more to the wound. Make sure they're non-latex. A lot of people are allergic to latex. So we got the PP&E covered. This will go over last. Want to grab some Dawn soap. In case you got to clean the wound, clean your hands first and then glove up. Get yourself a bottle of eye solution, eye wash, saline solution that is. That way if you have an eye injury, you can toss it to them and they can get the stuff out of their eyes while you're treating somebody else. Or have somebody else help them. It's good to have a little Dixie cup with it too. I do not. I have it in my kit, but a little small Dixie cup, fill it up and they can put it over their eye and it controls the water. Next, treat for shock. Get yourself a whole mess of emergency blankets. As you see here, I have like 8 of them. So I can treat 8 patients. Next, for bleeds, quick and easy, a bag full of gauze. I got every size in here, 4x4s, 3x3s, non-stick pads. I have 8x10s. It's all in this bag. Just slap one of these on, grab your tape, have lots of tape. We got fabric, latex-free, waterproof tape, depending on the terrain's gonna dictate. And then we have our medical tape as well. So just throw the pad on, tape it up, control the bleeding. I have a sling just in case we have a broken arm. We can treat that really quick. You can wrap an ankle with this, wrap a wrist. You can even, when you put the pad on, take the shoulder sling and use that to secure it. These I have out. I have a whole bag of these. They're paws. You got your wet naps. Just helps to clean the wounds, but you already have your bottle of Dawn. You can do that as well. Here's the bucket. In case you can put all the supplies in here if you choose to. Multi-purpose. I know it's a ridiculous size of gauze, but it's how I roll. Something similar to that. Has a carry handle, you can carry it. But either way, the bucket was to have a water source, to wash yourself, have something for the saline to drip into, just to control the environment. You want to make sure when you're cleaning, when you're treating somebody, and if they're bleeding and stuff, you need to control that. You don't want diseases to spread. If somebody is sick, you never know. Here's the trash bag to put all your dirty gauze in every time you switch it out. Put the gauze in, your dirty gloves, whatever you need. And a paper towel just for drying up wounds and stuff like that. So that's it, guys. I mean, this is pretty simple on the Triage Kit. It's not something crazy. You don't need to go get a pre-made first aid kit. They are pretty much useless for this because you're not staying and playing right now. You're just treating the patient really fast. You're setting them up, color coding them, staging them, and because you might have a lot of injuries. You're not going to have time to dig through this kit. I mean, you open one of these up, and yeah, I mean, you got to pull off all the wrappers to get to this, get to that pad. Just get a whole bunch of gauze and put it in a bag. It's a quick and easy way to treat somebody. Gauze and tape. Done. Like I said, I have the mini wrap as well. This is cling wrap, if you guys don't know what that is. You undo the roll, it sticks to itself. It's very convenient. If you don't like using tape, tape is sticky. Surgical tape isn't that bad, but the mini wrap is pretty awesome. Multi-purpose again. You can secure, you can splint people with this, with another finger or whatever with tape. You can also do it with the mini wrap as well. And it's not like your regular ace bandage where you wrap that and you have the two metal clips and they fall off or they slide. That's why I use this, because it's similar to tape. So there you guys have it. There's your kit. You can choose to put it in a bucket if you want, or whatever you want to secure it in. But that's a simple video for you guys, a simple setup. And again, I hope everything is going good with you guys. I hope you guys are going along in the videos and your kits are getting done, your evacuation kit's done, your tool kit's done, your rescue kit's done. And by now, I mean, we've been doing this for about a week and a half. You guys should be good to go. And it's, like I said, it's quiet right now. We haven't had any disasters or earthquakes, in my area at least. There's other places that have had them. And I've been posting on their sites as well and talking with some people in Seattle and stuff like that. So that's a good thing. So enjoy, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let's hit that 100 mark, guys. Thank you.